For people flying out of Chicago who've not canceled their travel plans, the effects of Hurricane Dorian are likely going to be on their mind this Labor Day weekend.
CBS 2's Mugo Odigwe is live at O'Hare for us, where some airlines are already sending out alerts. Mugo.
We've been checking the flight boards all morning as we came in, and so far no delays or cancellations to those heading to Florida or the Caribbean. But already airlines are asking people to constantly monitor their flight status for any changes or cancellations. And of course, that's because Hurricane Dorian is expected to make landfall on Monday during the busy holiday weekend. That will likely derail travel for those in the Caribbean or Florida. Southwest is already warning travelers that flights may be delayed, diverted, or canceled altogether. They, along with United, Frontier, JetBlue, among others, are offering waivers on change fees. American Airlines has also posted a full list of Florida destinations that may be affected by the storm. We spoke with some travelers flying to Miami who are trying to stay calm and positive despite the possibility of some flight issues.
If the weather is bad, I would rather postpone than to fly into danger. So I was willing.
But your husband was like, you know what, we're going.
I wouldn't say that. I think I would have got my way.
Again, the important thing here is to make sure you are constantly checking your flight information for any cancellations, delays, or changes. Live at O'Hare, Mugo Odigwe, CBS 2 News.